Hello, it's a Saturday and my replacement smartphone has arrived. Actually arrived an hour ago, but I was in the middle of an edit, I think Wednesday's video, when I hadn't taken a break and it crashed. So I thought I'd take a break, and then I thought I'd do an unboxing. So here it goes. I'm going to take the box out of here. This is going to take a while to open because it's very sticky, so I'll cut straight to the box. Right, this is the box. It's Samsung Galaxy S8, 64 gigabytes. It's been such a long time I forgot what GB stood for. Right, so let's open it. I think you have to slide it out. Right, here we go. You slide it out. On the back it says, I'm sorry if it doesn't focus automatically. I'll read it out. 146 dual pixel, 12 megabytes stroke 8 megabytes, autofocus, water and dust resistant, iris scanner, KNOX protected, 64 gigabytes memory, 4 gigabytes RAM, wireless charging pad required, earphones tuned to AKG. Right, here's the box. Again, I'm sorry about the focus. Or do I have to push it out again? It's like past the puzzle. Oh, I've got to take off these stickers at the side. Got to take those off. So I'll cut to afterwards. Okay, I've broken the seal, and here we go. So here's the phone. It's orchid grey apparently. It looks greenish, doesn't it? So that was my stomach, by the way. This would pop out so I can pull it out. Jeez. Sorry, I'm moaning. I shouldn't moan. But it's an ergonomic challenge, or I'm ergonomically challenged. Oh dear me. Oh, this is frustrating, isn't it? I just need to get this out. What's wrong with me? Oh dear, I'm doing it all wrong. See, that should pop out, shouldn't it? So I can pull it out. Now I can put it back in again. I can pull it out properly. Ta-da! Oh my god, what's that? So this is eject pin. Goodness me, what is this? I think it's a charger. Eject pin. Oh, it's warranty. It's all the gumph and the quick start guide. Okay, got a warranty card, original, sorry, I can see this only if you can, quick start guide, warranty card, regional lock guide, and an eject pin. Oh, I suppose that's to fish out the excuse me, to fish out the old SIM card, I suppose. I'll put that aside for now. Right, what else is in here? We have a box. There's a little square box here. Alright, I can't pull it out unless I pull the lid out. Let me turn it around. Oh, here we go. We just have to lift the lid and then we can see what it is. We've got one of these USB, oh, it's the charger cable. And of course with the charger cable comes the plug. Okay, that's good. And sorry if I'm silent, it's just that I'm in a cold room at the moment and I want to get through this unboxing really quick. Oh, this is an alternative USB. Or is it a spare? Anyway. Right, what else is in here? Oh, I think you've got the travelling salt. Oh no, spare earpods. Oh, I love those earpods. Not. I know it sounds like I'm moaning, but if there's one thing I hate about Samsung is their headphones. Another one of these. Oh, it's a converter from one USB to another. I thought this was it. There's a USB cable, PC cable, or power cable. Right, these are the headphones. Let's see what they look like. I should probably, here we go. And here they are. I'm not looking at the screen, so I don't know if I'm filming this properly, but I'll give it a go anyway. This is bizarre looking, look at that. So there's the headphones. How big is the cable? It's fairly big. Right, I think that's it all. Here, end of the unboxing. No more surprises. That's it, all done. Wonderful. So there you have it. The phone itself, headphones, the cable for charging or transferring data, the plug that goes with the cable. You've got an alternative USB, and it's got a hole for the cable, and you've got, I think, a converter from one USB to another, and this one seems to be the same as that one, and spare earphones. Right, I can put it to use now. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I'm sorry it wasn't as dynamic as all the others, but this is the first time I've done an actual unboxing. So this was the Samsung Galaxy S8, 64GB ROM and 4GB RAM. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.